Welcome to the Azure Data Engineering Interview Series. I'm your host, and today we'll be diving into discussing Azure Data Factory components and features with Azure Data Engineering Expert. Let's get started with this technical interview discussion. Can you explain the key components of Azure Data Factory, such as pipelines, triggers, integration runtime, and data flows?
Sure. In Azure Data Factory, pipelines are a logical grouping of activities that together perform a task. Triggers are used to kick off the execution of these pipelines based on time, events, or manual invocation. Integration runtime provides the compute infrastructure on which data integration processes run, supporting connectivity to different data stores. Data flows define data transformations within pipelines, enabling code-free ETL processes. For instance, in a recent project, I used Azure Data Factory to orchestrate a data pipeline that extracted data from Azure SQL database, transformed it using mapping data flows, and loaded the processed data into Azure Data Lake storage for further analysis.
That's a good example. How did you ensure data quality and monitoring in your Azure Data Factory project?
To maintain data quality, I implemented data validation activities within the pipelines to check for completeness, accuracy, and consistency. Additionally, I configured alerts and notifications using Azure Monitor to track pipeline execution, monitor data flow performance, and receive notifications for any failures or delays. I also utilized Azure Data Factory's built-in monitoring capabilities to track data lineage and operational metrics for better visibility into the data integration processes.
Great approach. How did you handle incremental data loading and scheduling in your data pipelines?
For incremental data loading, I leveraged ADF's watermarking capabilities to track the last processed data and only load new or updated records into the destination. I also used time-based scheduling triggers to run the pipelines at specific intervals, ensuring timely data updates. By setting up dynamic parameterization in the pipelines, I could easily adjust the scheduling based on business requirements without manual intervention.
Thank you for watching this interview discussion. I hope you found it helpful for your interview preparation and career growth. For more technical interview questions and content, please follow the Clear Interviews channel. Good luck with your interviews.